A workflow between Revit and Autodesk Insight provides you with valuable feedback, informs the design of high-performing building systems, and helps you achieve the extraordinary. Autodesk Insight quickly generates an intuitive, outcome-driven guide to better building energy and environmental performance throughout the building lifecycle. Insight extends the power of Revit, enabling you to visualize and interact with key performance indicators, benchmarks, factors, ranges, and specifications. Real-time cause and effect feedback guides you towards design decisions with better outcomes. You can model with Revit to generate insights using robust automatic analytical model creation and visualize performance information directly in the modeling environment. Assess the analysis results in Revit Insight, where you can modify design options for better energy performance. You can adjust the limits of variables that affect energy usage. You can also change the lighting efficiency, HVAC, photovoltaics, and more. Easily compare design options and scenarios within Insight. Autodesk Insight can also analyze peak heating and cooling loads. View the results through the analytical model. Insight will produce a load calculation summary report to inform and better support decision-making, leading to extraordinary design.